Hello everyone! How are you doing? Welcome to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today we are going to do the third part of our Bart the Little Duck. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make his wings, his beak, and the little hair tufts, okay? And also the little tail right here. We will make the tail, the wings, the beak, and the hair. Then, in the next video, we are going to make this little foot here. It's more detailed, right? So it will need a video all for itself. And in the following video, we will make the accessories, which are this beautiful bow and this little hat too. After that, we'll have the assembly. Okay, guys? Just to keep you updated on the schedule. So now, let's begin. Since we are making the wing today, I'm going to grab my white yarn. If you are making yours with yellow yarn, then you will use yellow, okay? Use the same color you used for the body. Let's start with a magic ring. I secure my yarn here, and I will make 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. We will have a total of 6 single crochet stitches in round number 1. Now, we close the magic ring and we will work. I'll call out 2 rounds at a time so we can keep going. For round number 2, we will do 6 increases, and we will have a total of 12 single crochet stitches. And in round number 3, we will do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We will repeat the sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet stitches. Remembering that I always leave the pattern details passing right up here for you, so if you get lost, just look at the on-screen text. Let's work rounds 2 and 3. Ready, guys. Round number 3 is finished. Let's work round number 4, which will be 2 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 24 single crochet stitches in total. Now in round number 5, we are going to do 3 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 30 single crochet stitches in total. And in round number 6, we will do 4 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 36 single crochet stitches in total. All right, now let's work round number 7, which will be 5 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and in the total for this round we will have 42 single crochet stitches. And in round number 8, we will do 6 single crochet stitches and 1 increase. We will repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 48 single crochet stitches in total. Let's work rounds 7 and 8. Done, guys. We finished these rounds here at round 8. Now, we are going to pass the yarn here to the front, like this. Fold the piece and turn it. I didn't take the hook out, as you saw. I just turned it with the yarn here in the back. I come here to the first stitch I would enter. The next one, And the last stitch I made. It gets a bit tight, see? Because we are going to join the parts with single crochet. It will result in 24 single crochet stitches. I catch the yarn, pass it through both sides, and make a single crochet. Look, here is the next stitch. I enter it and enter the next one here on the other side. See? I pull my yarn and make a single crochet. I keep doing this until I reach the end. We will have a total of 24 single crochet stitches. Ready, everyone, I've done it all here. Now we cut a long tail for sewing. Pull it through. It's ready, okay? We will need to make 2 of these. There will be 2 wings. Now we are going to make the beak. To make the beak, we will use the orange color. We'll start with a slip knot. I make a knot. Come here, give it a little twist, and make my slip knot. And we are going to make 10 chains. I've made the 10 chains. Now I make 1 chain to start the work, a turning chain. I go back making single crochet stitches here. Let's do the first round. In this round number 1, we make an increase in this first chain. 1 increase. 8 single crochet stitches. One more increase. In the last stitch here, an increase. Then I will turn the work here and continue working on the remaining loops on the other side. Same thing, 1 increase. Eight single crochet stitches. And finish with an increase. Ready, and that's how I finish round number 1. In this round, we will have 24 stitches, okay guys? Now, from round number 2 to round number 5, we are going to do single crochet over single crochet, okay? I don't use a stitch marker because I can tell where the round starts and ends just by looking. But if you want to use one so you don't get lost, it's good. I'll start round number 2 here. and I will work up to round number 5, single crochet over single crochet. All these rounds will have 24 stitches in total. I'll work my rounds and come back to continue with you. Ready, guys? Look, I finished round number 5 and it looks like this. Now we make a slip stitch and cut it, leaving a long tail to sew this beak to the duck later, all right? Done. Now let's make the little hair. We'll make it in the same color we used for the duck too. In my case, I'll make it in white. If you are making yours yellow, make it in yellow. And we have to make 3 of these, okay? I'll teach you how to make one, and then you make 2 more, totaling 3. Let's start with a slip knot. Make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 turning chain and go back making 1 single crochet in each chain, which will give us 6 single crochet stitches. I cut my yarn, leaving a little thread for sewing, and pull it through. I think I even cut it quite long. It didn't need to be that long, okay? And now let's make 2 more of these. Same thing, okay? 6 chains, 1 turning chain, and go back making 1 single crochet in each foundation chain. And now let's make the tail. To make the tail, we will make a slip knot. 10 chains. One chain to start our work, turning chain, and go back making 1 single crochet in each chain, which will give a total of 10 single crochet stitches. I cut the yarn for sewing, pull it through, and the tail is ready, okay guys? And that was it for today's video. So, we learned how to make the beak, the wing, the hair tufts, and also the tail. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's it then, everyone. Stay blessed and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.